how to zoom in on Final Cut Pro. Hello everyone, welcome to our channel. Let's see how we can do it. So in order to zoom any timeline on your Final Cut Pro, you just have to press Command and plus on the timeline, and you would be able to see that you would be able to zoom in quite easily. And there's one more way. For that, just simply press Z on your keyboard and this is how it will appear. Now press it on any particular area and just simply click on it. This is how you would be able to zoom up. If you want to go back to normal, simply press A and it will be getting back to normal. Now zoom out by pressing Command minus and this is how it will appear. Now if you want to zoom for a particular layer, then just simply select that particular layer, press on this icon over here, and after that you can simply drag and drop or increase the size from here, and this is how you would be able to do it. I hope this video was helpful. Make sure to hit that like button and also subscribe to our channel for more helpful videos.